Kevin bought a 2005 GP1300R. It needs a new motor. I really want to restore this ski. Do you think it's worth it? Restore it like a 68 Roadrunner restore, or just build it and get it running? Are they a lot of fun? Yeah, that hull is one of the most successful hulls. That original GP1300 hull is phenomenal, primarily for racing. The seat's as wide as a Clydesdale. But yeah, and you can get, I mean, if it doesn't have an engine, or if you want just a running turnkey engine, SBT has them. I know it's SBT and they're not super reliable, but you can get a complete crate motor and then just go through it and make sure it's all cherry. Make sure the tolerances are right. Make sure there's no slot. Make sure that the engine is ringed right. You know, the pistons are ringed. Check all the bearings. Yeah, it should be fine. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.